The practice goes much better if you have a cut. Yeah, I mentioned that many times before. We're gonna start with the question to maybe a little bit more advanced capoeiristas out there. Have you actually ever heard Toque de Amazonas played inside the roda by anyone, master or capoeira student, doesn't matter. It's supposed to be a rhythm that is greeting a guest or a master joining the roda. I never heard it played ever in my life. I've been in capoeira for 18 years, never. It's still a great rhythm, we're gonna learn it. Let's do the bass first. What we're gonna do today, I'm gonna show you just a couple of variations. We're gonna leave the beginning, the first few notes and the last few notes of the rhythm intact or maybe slightly changed, but we still want to hear that this rhythm is this rhythm. For the next few variations, I'm gonna use some advanced sounds, yeah? The ones I covered in the previous video. Please do check out this video because you're gonna learn something for sure. For this variation, we're gonna use the Solto with the Cabaça in and then out. Let's go. The reason why you want to practice this particular rhythm is for this one transition there. It's extremely funky if you listen closely. And lastly, we're gonna finish with my favorite repique, which is the Chaido Solto. Let's go. Anyway, that's all I prepared for you for today. I hope you enjoyed, I hope you learned something, and I hope you're gonna share this video with others. And that's it, I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.